This is Brendan.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey, excuse me? I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
You look like you're ready to go to a funeral though. What do you think about all this? It's all inspiring, you know what I mean? I could go all the way back to your house if you want me to. You gotta be my tour guide or something. Yeah, and it's like everyone wants to meet people, but nobody actually wants to take the risk.
Okay, Brendan, how was today?
Today, man, was crazy.
Okay, so today I'm in New York. It's apocalyptic right now. There's some smokes.
Yeah, my name is Brandon. I'm 19 years old. I've been living in New York City for about a month, and I've been studying music. Throughout my life, I've always been sort of introverted, you know, and I think it's time to break past and start actually going for what I want to get in life, you know what I mean? And I think it's about time that I actually take the step.
Okay.
It's definitely been one of my strongest weak points, you know, just being social with people and being open and fluid and, you know, conversation, approaching people, being true to my intentions. And, you know, it's the primal feeling, like you want to socialize. We're social animals, right? And so it comes naturally, like you just naturally want to speak to other people. So it's definitely time.
By the way, the hats are still available at socialanimal.us.
Go buy one.
Any last words before we start?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
I really think you guys are beautiful. I just wanted to tell you guys.
Thank you.
No problem.
Awesome.
Yeah, are you guys like local New Yorkers?
I live here. This is LA.
From where?
LA.
LA, nice. What do you think, like, are there any like cool differences like you've noticed in New York? I just moved here a month ago. Yeah, I moved here from New Jersey.
Ooh,
And
how do
it's
you like
super,
it?
it's like, I'm in a like new world, you know what I mean? It's crazy
Yeah.
just I'm from like a small town. It's crazy just jumping into
Right.
like basically the capital of the entire world, you know what I mean?
No, so are we. We're from a small town too.
Yeah. Anyways, I don't want to like stop you guys from walking. What's your name? Brandon. Good
Nice
to meet you.
you.
You said you're from here, right?
Yeah.
Would you like want to hang out sometime or anything like that?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. I'll like grab your number.
Yeah, sure. Perfect.
Awesome. Yeah, I've been like trying to challenge myself to talk to new people and really like get out of my comfort zone. You know what I mean?
100%. And New York
And-
is like one of the best places to do that.
Exactly. But
Are you out here for like school or work?
I'm here for like kind of the summer. And then after this, I'm probably gonna go to Hawaii actually.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, but I think I'll be back. I haven't thought about it yet. Do you have like a recommendation?
I like Kauai. That one's really
Kauai?
pretty. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like Oahu.
You
Oahu?
both have been to Hawaii?
Yeah.
You gotta be my tour guide or something. You gotta go with me.
I don't know that.
All right, good to meet you. We'll hang out soon,
You
all right?
too. Sounds
Good to meet you
Good
too.
to meet you.
Have a good one.
Have a good day.
You too. What the fuck? It was so easy.
Oh.
Crazy.
Yeah.
It was actually kind of easier than I thought. I was a little bit nervous, but it's funny. I'm like, oh, your name is so interesting. I've heard this name all the time. It felt pretty good. They seemed very open, a lot more than I thought they would be.
One little feedback is,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I just have to tell you that it feels as if like you're like some sort of like messenger.
Yeah, like a
you know,
messenger, right?
bringing, like,
Yeah.
a message like on a silver platter, like
Right.
you're just she's just a person like you. You're just,
Right.
but well, I think today's gonna be a good day.
Awesome. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Actually, I forgot to mention, Brandon recognized me in the street like last week, and so we made it happen.
Absolutely crazy. Hey, excuse me? I'm sorry, I just noticed you walk across the street. I want to say you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
No problem. You go to school here?
No, I work and live in the city.
Oh, nice.
You go to school here?
No, I've only been here for a month.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's your name? Brandon. Good to meet you.
Brandon, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What are you up to today?
I am shopping.
All right. What you got? You got some shoes?
Yeah, I got shoes, I got
Nice.
jewelry. Going to
Alright.
a banquet tonight.
A banquet. All right.
What about you? What are you up to?
Just like kind of talking to random people. I've sort of been like challenging myself to like just approach random people ever since I moved here. Like I've always had a problem just like socializing with random people.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm here.
Where did you move from?
I moved from New Jersey. It's like a little boating town that I'm from.
Okay, very cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
So you work here? What's your job? Would you want to like hang out sometime?
Yeah, sure. I can give you my number.
Fantastic.
I am also trying to be more, put myself out there more.
Yeah, I feel like it's a problem that a lot of people have.
I agree,
You know
because
what I mean?
everyone wants to meet people.
Yeah, and it's like everyone wants to meet people, but
Yeah,
nobody actually wants to take the risk.
Exactly.
But I feel like you learn more from
I agree, putting yourself out there.
putting yourself out there.
All right. There
Yeah,
you
we
go.
can hang out sometime soon.
All right.
So good to
have a
meet
good
you.
day. Nice meeting you
Have a
too.
good one. That was pretty good. She ended up being a lot older than I thought she was, but you know, I'm open, definitely not closed off to that. At first, like I thought the vibe was kind of not there, and I was a little bit like getting a little bit stiff, but I just kind of like reminded myself that it didn't matter. You know what I mean?
Just one thing, if I were you, I wouldn't really like vocalize like, oh, you know, I'm here talking to strangers. Like,
Yeah.
Because
It's like a crush.
that's kind of you like being a bit in your head, like, oh, I'm talking to strangers. It's like just
It's like an excuse for me to go up to.
You know, it's not a psychotherapy session like that. I don't know.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, besides that's great. What are you guessing? Do you think Brandon's gonna do better than Buster, better than Jonah Part 2?
Let's go.
We're taking the bets.
Hey, excuse me? I'm sorry, can you hear me? I'm sorry, I just noticed you crossed the street. I want to say you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
That's so sweet.
What are you up to?
I'm going to see some friends.
Nice, like you know what you're gonna do? You're just gonna like hang out?
Hang out, yeah.
Awesome. You from like New York?
Yeah, what about you?
I just moved here like a month ago.
From where?
New Jersey.
Oh, nice. So fun.
Yeah.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. Yeah, like you're a local, like born and raised?
No, not originally, but
Where are you originally from?
I'm running late, but it was
Everything's
nice to meet
happening. It's
you.
nice to meet you. Would you like to like hang out sometime or anything?
I have a boyfriend. but
No
he's
problem.
very sweet.
Just take it as a
Thank
compliment.
you.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Have a good
Feels good for it to not go right because it's almost like, when's it gonna happen? You know, when's it gonna happen? And, hey, excuse me. I'm sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I just want to say you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Where are you headed to?
Back to my apartment.
Yeah? I could like walk for a minute with you.
Okay, sure.
Cool.
What's your name?
Brandon.
What is it?
Brandon.
Brendan.
Brandon with an
Brandon.
A.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
What's your name?
I'm
Awesome. How long have you been in New York City?
like 2 years. Yeah.
2 years? What do you think? Where are you from?
Are you just here for the summer or?
I am here for the summer, and then I'm going to Hawaii for the fall.
Wow.
But I think I'm gonna return to like pursue kind of music and stuff like that.
Very
But
cool.
yeah. What'd you say you're up to?
I'm going back to my apartment.
What do you think about all this? Pretty crazy, right?
Yeah, it's scaring me.
It's
I
insane.
got to spend the rest of the day inside or something.
Do you feel like congested?
Not really, but I feel
No.
like.
Anyways, you're beautiful. Would you like to like
you.
hang out sometime or anything
Yeah,
like
sure.
that? Awesome. Yeah, I'll grab your number. What like neighborhood do you live in?
Literally right here on the corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Nolita.
Where even are we right now?
It's like Nolita, Soho. That's
Nolita,
like
Soho.
This is Nolita.
Yeah, maybe you could like show me around because
Yeah, for sure.
I'm very new to all of this. Awesome. So good to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Oh my God, sorry, my hand's full.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Have a good one. It obviously went well. It was successful and everything, but I sort of felt roadblocks, like I was stuck in certain areas,
Yeah.
and I kind of had like nothing to say, and I kind of like had a crutch or something to say.
So I felt two things. First of all, at the beginning, you always say, oh, you know, I just want to let you know, like you're beautiful. I would encourage you to, you know, I just saw you. I would encourage you to be more present in the way that you speak in the present tense. You know, because you're like, I saw you. You know, you know, like try to be like really present. And now I think all of the girls you've talked to, you ask them like, oh, are you from New York? I feel like you use this as as like a thing.
Right.
Try to, as a challenge, I would say, try to use the day, the current moment. She's going home. Why is she going home? Why not? She doesn't have a job. Is she gonna take a nap?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna take a nap. Oh, is this an invitation? I don't know. You know, just use right now. You know?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Sorry, I want to say you look nice today.
Huh?
I want to say you look nice.
Oh, thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you. That's so nice.
Yeah, no problem. What do you think about all this like crazy,
I think it's
the sky?
insane. I think
It's wild,
insane.
right?
Honestly, if anything, I think I shouldn't be out.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Nothing. I'm just meeting my friend like there.
Cool,
What
cool.
about you?
What are you like about to do?
Nothing. It's like a cafe. We're just like sitting. and
Nice,
talking.
just hanging out. Is that what you
Yeah.
usually do? Just like,
Not really, but I mean, it's not much. It's not like pretty for parks today. I'd say.
yeah. Actually, I would argue that it is. It's like, it's all inspiring. You know what I mean? You know, I feel like being in crazy weather conditions is like the most like inspiring thing.
Really?
Yeah. You don't think so?
No.
Yeah. Anyways, I just thought you were beautiful.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You. That's really
How old are you?
sweet. I'm 20.
You're 20. I'm 19. Would you like to like hang out sometime, exchange numbers or anything
Sure.
like that?
Yeah. Sure.
Fantastic. How long have you been in New York for?
Maybe like 5 months.
5 months.
Yeah.
So you live here?
Yeah, I do.
You live like in this neighborhood or?
I used to live in Seoul.
Oh, it's your friend.
This is my friend.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name, by the way?
Nice to meet you.
Are you from New York too?
I live here. Yeah. Sure.
Cool. Have a good one.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that felt very unnatural. It felt forced.
What do you mean?
I felt lost in the conversation. I felt stuck. I could not think of a playful angle at it. I was using the crutches over and over and over, and like trying to think of it, like any angle, but nothing was coming to mind.
Just be, just slow down. Look
Slow
at the
down,
person. Just slow down, and the more you're slowing down and you're aware of those crutches, eventually you'll take other paths.
Yeah. Hey, excuse me. I want to say you look nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Where are you going? What are you up to?
I'm going home right now, actually.
Going home? It's so early though.
I'm not trying to breathe this all in right now either.
It's fake. It's
Did
a hoax.
you just run?
I was speed walking a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. You think it's like people are gonna like start getting sick?
No, I don't want to inhale this. I just want to go home.
Do you feel it though? Cause I don't feel it. Really?
You feel it? Are you gonna keep walking?
Do you want me to? I mean,
Where?
I could go all the way back to your house if you want me to.
I'm from Staten Island.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm from New Jersey too.
What's your name? I don't even know your name.
I'm Brandon.
You're Brandon.
Good to meet you. While you have your phone out, I should probably put my number.
Yeah, I'll take your number.
Amazing.
I'll let you go back to where you were.
Awesome.
Hold on 1 second.
But yeah, it's crazy. Were you out when it was all yellow?
Yeah, I was on my way here.
It was incredible. I loved it.
You work around here?
I work in Park Slope, Brooklyn.
Oh, okay.
That's where I live right now. I've been here for like a month. Yeah, awesome.
Very cool.
So good
Very
to
nice
meet
to meet you. Have a nice
you. You
day.
too. Have a good one. That was cool. She was way more like open and welcoming, which made me, I think, be more comfortable about it.
Yeah.
Because she was open, so it made me more natural. Whereas the other people, like if they're even a little bit like confused or like not engaged in it, it's like, damn, I'm on the spot. Got to come up with something. Got to be. It makes me anxious.
But you should take this as a challenge because you should be able to remain yourself.
You're right.
And
Yeah.
remain, at ease, whatever the situation is. Because sometimes you might catch people in a bad mood or whatever.
Yeah. And you could change it.
But if you are relaxed, they will also relax. We're basically risking our lives for this video.
Smoke from the devastating wildfires in Canada impacting millions here in the United States.
The quality index is 262 apparently.
The world is ending.
Brendan is dedicated.
I'm willing to die for this.
So what is the article saying? Is it okay? Are you gonna regret this day for the rest of your life, Brendan?
We barely see the Empire State Building.
It's crazy. Hey, excuse me. I want to say you look nice today.
Thank you very much.
No problem. What are you up to?
I'm going home.
You're going home? But it's so early.
Yeah.
It's so early though. You're going home. It's already, the sun is still out for another like 5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I thought you were very beautiful. If you want to like hang out sometime.
No, thank you.
All right, no problem. Just take it as a compliment. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Finally, Brendan got a real rejection. So this was you were like full robot there. You have all of those lines that you keep saying. You basically took one sentence from each interaction you had so far, and you
Combine them.
You combined them.
Yeah. Hey, excuse me. Can you hear me? I'm sorry. You look nice. I wanted to say.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. What are you up to?
I'm going to work. Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. Do you want to like hang out sometime? I thought you were beautiful.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're good. You're good.
Thank you so
It's all good.
much.
Have a good one.
You too.
She was like, oh, I'm working sorry, and then you kind of press eject. At least you went for it.
Right.
You could have just been like, oh, bye, so at least you went for it, but I feel like you could have tried to just vibe a bit more with the...
Yeah, I should have been like, where do you work,
Yeah,
whatever.
I feel like as soon as she said like, oh, I'm working sorry, you got a bit, not defensive, but you kind of like,
Took
I don't
it.
know. Yeah,
I took it as a loss, kind of.
yeah.
Instead of continuing. Excuse me. You're very beautiful, I want to say.
Hi.
I said you're very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
what's
I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
You look like you're like ready to go to a funeral though.
Exactly.
It's a sad
It was
day?
supposed
Or?
to- yeah, because this morning it was supposed to be like the apocalypse.
It was. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Now it's much better.
It was orange. No, it's not better though. If you look on the weather app though,
Oh,
it says hazard. It got worse.
Oh, but
It's
I'm
just-
telling her that. She's like, no, we're fine. I'm
No,
like,
no. Look at the weather app. It's crazy. We're all gonna die.
And
Yeah.
what's the funeral?
I'm Brandon.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Where are
You're
you from?
I'm from New Jersey. You guys French?
No, I'm from Italy.
Italy. Wow. You too?
Yes.
Sisters or
No, best friends.
best friends from Italy?
She's like my wife.
You live in New York?
Yes.
What are you guys up to?
We're just walking, trying not
Walking?
to die.
You
from
live in the neighborhood or? So you're just like kind of hanging out?
The
just
place
walking?
we had coffee is our favorite coffee shop.
Oh,
so we
really?
always go
It was
there.
pretty good. That was my first time. Yeah, I was in there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's good, but we literally, it takes us like 40 minutes to get there.
But it is just coffee. Like
I
it's
know,
not.
it's so good.
It's not that serious.
Yeah.
So it's not a funeral today. Like
No, I mean,
Depends whose funeral.
yeah, I mean we might all drop dead. I don't know. Like they're saying it's pretty serious.
Hope not.
Let's hope not.
Anyway, it's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Would you like to hang out sometime? I'll grab your number.
oh yeah, sure.
Awesome. What do you like to do like around the city?
I love walking. So I
Yeah.
love music.
Do you like bikes?
No, I never.
No?
I prefer walking.
You know how to ride a bike
obviously.
though?
No, yeah, of course.
Good,
and-
good. If you didn't, I would just run away.
no. Okay, nice meeting you.
So good to meet you. What's your name, by the way? Nice to meet you. Have a good one, all right?
Okay, Casanova, how was that?
I almost like don't know how to feel about that one. I feel like it went good, obviously. Like it seemed pretty natural. I felt kind of natural, but my body language, like I sort of didn't know what to do with my hands at a certain point, and I was very conscious of what I was doing.
Well, I think it's good that you're self-aware of that.
Yeah.
And the more you practice and you're self-aware, the less anxious you'll be. But I thought it was fine, and you interacted with the friend pretty nicely.
Yeah, I tried to include them.
Honestly, I thought that was pretty good.
Yeah, definitely learned that it's the way more normal than I thought, and it's not as the moment isn't as big as you might think prior to doing it, and the anxiety that you have prior to doing it is not justified in reality.
Okay.
You think like people walking with a straight face or something, like they're very negative, but it really has nothing to do with how they are, and you have no idea how someone could react prior to actually talking to them, and so there's only one way to do it, and it's to approach them.
Do you have anything to tell whoever is watching this video right now?
Anybody watching this video has to do this. They have to do this. If you're insecure about like approaching random people, it's the only way that you can break that insecurity is by just doing it, you know. And the risk is far worth the reward, and the negatives to it are not as drastic as you might think, and the positives to it are way stronger than the negatives.
Okay, cool. Any last words?
Go talk to people, man. Go out there.
Nice.